What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad's Advice. Today we're unboxing the Snoo, so without further ado, let's take this box off and see what is up. As always, use as directed by the manufacturer and links are below. So the first thing I noticed is this thing is extremely heavy, so watch your back if you're carrying it up a lot of stairs. It's really well packed and very well insulated. There's your first set of everything you'll need for your baby. So there's a large sleep sack, a medium sleep sack, and a small one that's in the actual crib itself. Now, like all these baby products, you have a huge instruction manual, but don't be too concerned. The only reason why it looks so exceptionally big is because it's written in every single different language. So German, French, English, and they've included one booklet for each language. Then you've got your terms and conditions and safety use and also your power bank there. So now we just lift off the top and expose the actual bassinet with the canvas sack that protects it. And these side pieces are your legs that basically clip in, and I'll show you that in a second. There's actually a bit of a diagram on how to pack down this actual box, which I would recommend doing. I just tore the box to pieces and threw it in the bin. But I found out afterwards that you can actually pack the box down, which I wish I kept, because then if you want to store it in a safe place, it comes in handy. So this is the canvas cover that basically protects the fabric of the bassinet. I kept this and I popped it back over the bassinet so no dust gets on it while it's not in use. And make sure you stick around to see how this thing works, because it's super cool. And it comes with a free baby. No, just kidding. This is the small sleep sack, and it's just demonstrating how a baby fits in there and what it might look like. Just to give you a quick view of the sleep sack, you basically zip it open straight down the center, and then it's got a few holsters in place that secure your baby in there, and it comes with a little handy diagram to show you how it's done correctly. And then there's two side holsters that fit onto the actual bassinet, which assist in rocking the baby. So let's get onto the setup. Now dads, don't do what I did. Take the damn mattress out before you flip it, because you're meant to flip it over, but as you can see here, boom, fail, the mattress landed on the ground and the bassinet was on top. Let's just go ahead and edit that fail out. And as you can see, the mattress is really thin, it's quite firm, and should be comfortable for your little baby. So one thing I really like about this bassinet is it's really simple. You just clip the legs in place like that with those big grey clips, and then there's some little hand screws that you screw up so it's fully secure and it won't go anywhere. So let's just screw those legs into place so they're nice and secure. So the power cable is just a one cable system. Again, a lot of thought's gone into this to keep it very simple. It comes with a UK adapter as well as a European adapter. Now, if you're buying this in the US, I'm sure you'll get a US adapter that comes with it. Basically, it fits into that little orange hole in the center, and then it clips onto the bottom of the bassinet and then down the leg of the bassinet. So keeping it very clean and easy to use and just very simple. So let's get that put in place and get ready to power the Snoo up and get it operational. So you can see here there's three things. There's the power button, Wi-Fi, and also a barcode. The power button and Wi-Fi, you turn those on obviously, and then the barcode you'll scan in the app, which will take you through all of the setup features and then eventually do this connection screen. I had a lot of trouble with the app. It would connect and then disconnect, and then eventually I got it to work, but just be aware that that can be quite frustrating. Let's jump in and have a look at how this thing works. First level is if the baby is calm. Level 1 soothing. Level 2 soothing. Level 2 louder. And level 2 loudest. I'm sure you're all very aware that when your baby isn't soothed, it will step up the intensity of soothing to make sure it calms your baby down eventually. Obviously I can't test that today because we don't have a baby, but I'll definitely be doing a follow-up review to see how that works. There's also a weaning function to step down the soothing as your baby grows up, and some sleep tracking in the app. If you're liking this content, please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it, and look out for the follow-up review. Thank you.